Food does not enter the body as nutrition. It enters as foreign matter. The mouth is not a passive entry point. It is the first biochemical checkpoint. Teeth mechanically fracture food, increasing surface area. Saliva immediately coats every fragment, not for taste, but for chemistry. Amylase begins breaking starch into maltose before swallowing even happens. This is digestion starting in seconds, not minutes. The tongue positions food into a bolus, a shape optimized for safe transport, not comfort. Swallowing is not voluntary anymore. From this point forward, autonomous neural control takes over. The esophagus does not digest. It transports. Peristaltic waves push food downward with precision, even upside down, even in zero gravity. Gravity is irrelevant. Muscle coordination is everything. The lower esophageal sphincter opens only once timing is correct. If it fails, acid rises. Reflux is not a stomach problem. It is a valve failure. The stomach is not a storage bag. It is a bioreactor. Hydrochloric acid drops pH to near 1.5, strong enough to denature proteins and kill most pathogens. Pepsin is activated only in this acidic environment. Proteins are unfolded, cut, dismantled. Food loses identity here. Texture, shape, origin erased. What remains is chyme, semi-liquid biological raw material. The stomach decides when the intestine may receive it. Not all at once, only in controlled pulses. The moment chyme enters the duodenum, digestion becomes collaborative. The pancreas releases bicarbonate to neutralize acid. Without this, intestinal tissue would be destroyed. Then enzymes arrive, lipase for fats, proteases for proteins, amylase for carbohydrates. At the same time, bile from the liver emulsifies fats, not digesting them, but making them accessible. Fat digestion fails here, not in the stomach. Most people think digestion happens here. It does not. It already happened. The small intestine is designed for absorption. Villi and microvilli multiply surface area to near absurd levels, comparable to a tennis court inside the abdomen. Each nutrient takes a different route. Glucose enters blood directly. Amino acids follow portal circulation. Fats are packaged into chylomicrons and enter lymph first. This is selective entry. Not everything is allowed in. What cannot be absorbed moves on. Everything absorbed passes the liver first. This is not optional. The liver decides: store, convert, detoxify, release. It turns sugars into glycogen. It modifies amino acids. It neutralizes toxins before they reach systemic circulation. This is biochemical governance. Without the liver, nutrition becomes poison. What remains is not waste yet. The colon reclaims water and electrolytes. Without this, dehydration would occur within hours. Gut bacteria ferment fibers humans cannot digest, producing short-chain fatty acids critical for colon health. The microbiome is not decoration. It is metabolic infrastructure. Defecation is not passive release. It is a coordinated neuromuscular event involving internal sphincter, external sphincter, and rectal stretch receptors. This is the final checkpoint. What leaves the body represents everything the body rejected, not failure. Selection. Food does not simply pass through you. It is dismantled, interrogated, selected, transformed, and what remains is expelled with precision. Eating is not intake. It is biological negotiation.